South Africans, it is a morning. You know, never ever in my whole life have I seen an intelligent police officer, futhi not a police officer, a leader who is so intelligent, just like General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. I have never seen such in my life. Angazi ngakubona ukuhlakanipha okungaka nesibindi esingaka njengoba sibona kuGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. You know, South Africans, if we have ever asked ourselves this question, ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasithanda na? Ngokusipha umuntu ofana noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, I would like to believe indlela yakhe eyokusikhomba as South Africans ukuthi uyasithanda. What General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is doing for South Africa and for South Africans, I'm telling you, it will go to the history. What General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is doing, I'm telling you, it is something that even some of these leaders of yours have been saying they will do for you. But what it took, it was just a media briefing. That's why South Africans, we really need to simbonge uNkulunkulu, but more than anything, we must stand with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi must be protected by all of us. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wamele simthandazeleni sonke. That's why it must be out there ukuthi we are General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is us. Even those who are planning to come for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, they must know that they are coming for all South Africans. The leaders who are against what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, even some of your leaders, whether you find yourself in their organizations, they must know that if they dare try to come for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, they are coming for all of us. And that's why anybody who wants to speak a nonsense about General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi must know that they will have a problem with all of us as South Africans. Because of South Africans, what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is doing, what we even saw him do yesterday in committee lapha parliament, that man is standing. That man is not agasheshele move. He's not going back. And he stands for what he says. He brings even more. So that's why South Africans, what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is doing for us, I'm telling you, I would like to believe indlela lena le uNkulunkulu asikhomba ukuthi uyasithanda. Okwethu ukuthi simthandazeleni